So what is investing? Investing, in simple terms, is when you use time, money, or energy to earn some future benefit. I want to talk about using money to earn more money. This can come in many different forms. Investing allows you to use compound interest and passive income. These two things are very powerful and they can make you wealthy. Compound interest is when you make interest on your interest. You start to make more the longer you do it. Passive income is when you make money in your sleep. You don't have to work much harder to make more money. Your money can work for you. Return on investment, or ROI for short, is what you receive back from your investment. It's expressed as a percentage, and it's the rate at which you can compound your money. If you invest $10,000 and receive $1,000 every year, that's a 10% ROI. I think ROI is the single greatest metric for judging how good your investment is. A good ROI is somewhere between 7 and 15%. If you get better than that, that's really good. Bonds give you fixed interest payments for a predetermined amount of time. They're mostly low risk, but they don't pay very much right now. The 10-year Treasury yield is less than 2%. This means that you'd receive 2% of the amount you invested per year. The government bond yields can change as the Federal Reserve changes interest rates to influence macroeconomics. A CD, or a certificate of deposit, allows you to loan money to a bank for a predetermined amount of time to receive a fixed amount of interest. Like bonds, they're low risk but low return. Right now the yields are under 2%. Real estate can give you a higher return on investment. I think the biggest advantage of real estate is the 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This allows you to leverage other people's money to increase your ROI. A reasonable ROI from real estate is about 10 to 15%, but real estate might not be the best choice for beginner investors. Stocks allow you to buy a piece of a business. You'd own a piece of that business's net assets and net income. The transactions are really easy through online brokerages. Stocks can be low risk and require very little maintenance, depending on your strategy. A reasonable ROI is between 7 and 10%. Investing in an S&P 500 is a great choice for beginners. It requires very little work, offers a decent ROI, and is safe if you hold for the long term. The S&P 500, or the Standard & Poor 500, is a list of the 500 largest US companies. The index has grown at about 7% per year compounded annually for over 100 years, so it has a very good track record. You can spread your money across 500 different companies very easily with one transaction. Vanguard offers this for a low fee. This is what Warren Buffett recommends most investors do.